How to adjust playback speed on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the YouTube application on your phone. YouTube is a video sharing platform where users can watch, like, share, comment on, and upload their own videos. Once you're in the app, tap on any video to start playing it. While the video is playing, tap anywhere on the screen to bring up the player controls. Now, tap on the settings gear icon located in the top right corner and tap on the playback speed option as shown. This will open a new panel where you can adjust the video's playback speed. Once you have selected your desired speed, the video will automatically start playing at that new speed. Following these steps, you can easily adjust playback speed on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.